I'm right in the shopping center. We just left the theater building and we're walking into the main shopping center of Hagen, man. It looks quite busy. There are lots of people out here in the shopping center. Basically, what you will notice a lot is that on weekends there are more people in here because during the week they are working, which is quite logical to say. And yeah, I find it really cool, and it's nice to see the town busy. It's nice to see people out here walking, and it's nice to see people come out here, have a nice time. Why not? Why not? So, whoa, some nice stuff here. So a big shout out to Hagen. Guys, like, share, love, and subscribe on my channel. And these are one of the places we'll be visiting. We'll be visiting a lot of other places. And I can see there's some renovation work going on here. The town is busy, man. The town is busy. Wow. And the other thing I was going to say there is, what you notice a lot in Hagen is that people like to pay attention to their privacy. So before filming people, you need to talk to them, you need to ask for their permission if you're actually allowed to do so, because there are lots of people who don't like to be filmed. So that's what you're going to notice a lot here. And yeah, it's quite different from other countries like in Brazil, you know, in Kenya and all, whatsoever. Sometimes you can just walk up to someone, you have a chat with them, you film them, they don't really bother them much about it, but people care a lot about their privacy here. And the other thing I was going to tell you a bit of info about Hagen is that it's a town which I'm personally very connected to. I'll tell you in the later upcoming videos, you see. I'll tell you why. Most people you find here, obviously the Germans, and you get a lot of people with migration background, like from Turkey, from a lot of African countries, South Africa, Kenya, Cameroon, Nigeria. You find them here, and there are lots of Arabic people here. So when you are here, basically you can have some nice Arabic food, you can have nice Cameroonian or African food, and you can have very nice German food as well. Their way of life is not being seen, it's not heard of, and we're living in a world where things can be actually broadcasted on the internet. People can show what they have, be proud of what they have, and that's why I decided to go on this journey. And why not? Why not? So guys, as I said, today we're in Hagen City. It's a beautiful town. It has beautiful restaurants. You come have a nice meal. It has beautiful hotels. Come visit Hagen. And basically, while I was on the internet today, I was doing some research. I came to some very interesting places which you can visit in Hagen. There are lots of beautiful museums which I'll be taking you through in my next upcoming videos. So, this came into my mind that I should show you a little bit of this, some artwork. I call it architecture work of Hagen. I really didn't want to miss this out on my snapshot. Guys, take a look at this. This is beautiful, man. This is beautiful. Oh, damn it. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Wow. guys, take a look at this. This is the Karl Ernst Osthaus Museum. This is one of the places that you definitely want to check out when you are in Hagen. I'm loving the structure. You see, this are very historical sites that you definitely want to visit when you travel to some places to try and find out about them and read the story behind it. I'm kind of loving this thing, man. Wow. So it's nice. I like it. Guys, take a look at this. This is beautiful. Just look at this. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm going to walk a little bit closer. I want to, like, man, this is beautiful. So I'll try and focus my camera on here. So unfortunately we're unable to see what is written on here, but I like this artwork. When traveling, these are some of the things that I like to pay attention to. And guys, this is beautiful. Don't say no. This is beautiful. I love the artwork. So guys, we just left the museum I was filming over there. So I'm going to tell you, please hit the like button, share the video, and just subscribe to the channel, guys. We're almost at the end of the town, and we're just going to have a walk back. We'll walk back and to where we came from. So guys, hit the like, subscribe to the channel. So as I was saying, today we're showing the in and out of Hagen, showing you some very important facts about Hagen, some historical sites. Although we can't really like cover everything on a single video, but I expected a little bit more people. But it's sad that what you see here is, I guess maybe because of the weather, it's been cold, very, very cold the last days. So I'm a little bit surprised that there are not many people out here. But I guess, as I said, because of the weather. It is currently winter. It's cold, man. You can see the way I'm dressed is actually cold. It's very cold. So that's why there are not that many people out here. But as I said, and I know what I'm telling you, the very nice places definitely which you definitely want to discover here in Hagen. So nice club. so they're very, very. Komm. Wollt ihr was sagen? Komm. Keine Angst. So I just met some kids here. I think they were very, very interested to get on the video. Wie geht's dir?
Gut, dir?
Ja, cool.
Ewa.
Where kommst du?
Russland.
Aus Russland. Wohnst du hier in Hagen?
Ja.
Oh, das ist cool. Sag mal Hallo,
Hallo.
Hi, die ganzen Zuschauer sind
Was
da.
geht ab?
Ja, also ich bin ein YouTuber, ich reise überall in die ganze Welt und ich komme eigentlich aus Hagen, ja.
Ja.
Und heute, ich will gerne Leute ein bisschen von Hagen zeigen. Die schönen Orten, wo man, weißt du, chillen kann. Bitte subscribe und liken meine Videos, ja.
Jo, wie heißt du?
Mark that.
Warte.
So, as I was saying to you guys, Hagen is cool. It's a nice place where you come and hang out. It's a place what to visit. So, was macht ihr so? Stadt. Spaziergang und okay, das ist cool. Jung genießen. Aber heute ist ein bisschen ruhig hier.
Ja.
Habe ich ja gerade gemerkt. Ich weiß nicht wieso. So, das bin ich.
Jo.
Ja, kannst du dir subscribe. Okay, guys. Alright, ne?
Jo, ciao.
Viel Spaß, okay? So, that was cool with this. Little guys. And Yeah, they were like kind of friendly. They were trying to speak to me. I didn't notice them in the beginning, and later on they came over. So we just like had a chat. They were very inquisitive. So one of the things I like about Hagen is the fact that they have some very nice sites that you can basically, you come, you have a chill, relax, and just have a cool head. And this is beautiful. I love this. So as you can see, I love this structure. Oh, check this out, man. This is beautiful. This is a park whereby it also has a playground for children. You could bring your kid out here while you're relaxing. The child is also having a nice time to play, and it's beautiful. I think it's also a possibility for parents to meet up here from different backgrounds. Children can play together, they can like chill, you know. And I remember that on this park some years ago you could like actually grill on here, but it's been forbidden for quite a while now, so you can't actually do that. And I think that was for a good reason. So as you can see, this is a playground for children where they can sit and have a chill out, and parents could sit watching their children play. And very important, there's also like, there's a cafe behind here. There's actually like a stand where singers or people could perform. It's been run by the main city hall here in Hagen. So guys, come chill and like. So I like it. This is quite beautiful. And I also like this. I like this, man. Check this out, guys. Check this out. It's usually filled with water, so this water is kind of like propelling this what you see on here. And that is quite beautiful, because during hot seasons like in summer, you'll find children, they come out here, they play in the water, and I would say it's quite beautiful. And they have lovely seats all around where you could sit, have a chill. And as you might have heard me say it before, unfortunately it's quite cold. That's why you see there are very less people out here. So guys, check this view. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. I'm loving it. One of the things that you'll definitely notice a lot here in Hagen is that the streets are well organized, parking is well organized. People park in designed areas which are meant just for parking. And one thing which I wish to talk about, oh guys, check out this hotel. Check this hotel out, man. Oh, I'll tell you a little bit about this hotel. The building you see here years ago was kind of like an abandoned building, but I'm very impressed in the way this building was refurbished, renovated, and it's like a top-class hotel. Cheers, thanks, man. Oh, that's lovely. That's lovely. He saw me coming from far. He really had to slow down to let me cross over. I love that. I love when people pay attention to pedestrians. I mean, and also very important in Germany, when you're in the towns, it's not allowed to drive that so fast. You have to be very, very careful. I mean, they're very strict on that, which I think it's very, very good. Like we are in a dry season, in a 30 zone, so you'll definitely you'll get a ticket if you have to speed up. you're driving very fast in the town, because it's actually very dangerous. So I love that act. Guys, so we've come to the end of this session. I hope you liked the videos. It was a short tour of Hagen, and basically we'll be shooting some other sites in Hagen. I promise that we're going to improve on the quality of the video. Don't forget, it's my first video doing something like this, vlogging. I do enjoy doing it. I hope you had some fun, and I promise that we'll improve on it. Please like, share, love, subscribe, and promote the videos. Thank you. See you next time.